In 2008, the JAMS Foundation, with a grant from Judge Dan Weinstein, started the Weinstein International Fellowship Program.
You look around the table, you'll see the faces, the languages, and the companies from various countries in commercial disputes that are cross-border. We need to have trained mediators effective in cross-cultural negotiations to help with those. The very principles that you learn here in solving small commercial problems and translate very well to these larger problems.
The 2012 class of Weinstein Fellows is the fourth group of legal professionals, academics, judges, and mediators who have come to the United States from around the world to study mediation.
I have been a judge for 25 years right now, and I realized that a judge isn't enough. So parties need other different things to solve problems and to solve disputes.
7+ years of experience in Africa, I realized that there is this lacuna, there is this gap. My intention is to develop a manual on mediation, which will act as a tool for lawyers, for law lecturers, and for law students.
Through a non-profit organization called Global Majority, we have done promotion of nonviolent conflict resolution through a lot of education, training, public awareness, advocacy, and then our mission is also mediation.
40 fellows from 36 countries have been provided funding up to $25,000 to pursue projects of their own design that will serve to advance dispute resolution in their home country. As each successive class of Weinstein Fellows returns home after their fellowship, they stay connected.
They start dialoguing with each other. They start becoming more involved with their former mentors and interacting. You're literally starting to reach out in a way that without the JAMS organization just wouldn't be possible, because there's no individual who could touch that many people, maintain the contact with that many people, to really build this international landscape of mediation.
So I'm going to have my head full of all this knowledge about court annexed mediation, having seen programs in LA, programs in DC, having spoken to neutrals, having spoken to members of JAMS administration.
What do Apple, Mercedes-Benz, and JAMS have in common? The answer would be they're all brands, the best brands in their respective fields.
I want to see the functional relevance of the knowledge, the skills, I'm going to acquire while I'm on the fellowship program, to the takeoff of ADR Center at the National Industrial Court of Nigeria.
In addition, a number of law schools have agreed to provide scholarships to Weinstein Fellows to pursue advanced degrees in dispute resolution.
I'll be doing research at Columbia Law School on international arbitration, and also I hope to shadow JAMS neutrals, JAMS mediators and arbitrators, just to gain and observe how arbitration and mediation is conducted in practice.
JAMS Foundation is in the world at the top level in organizing and teaching mediation. Coming here as a fellow for the Weinstein program of 2012 is a privilege, because we have a big need of training in our countries.
I would like to establish some kind of mediation for lawyers, and especially also negotiation courses, if possible in cooperation with a law school.
Each fellow is chosen because they have the ability to become leaders in dispute resolution in their home country.
In Serbia, we are at the point where several institutions and organizations are trying to develop their own mediation practices, and I'm involved in advising them, and I'm also involved in advising the government of Serbia on the development of the new mediation law.
We were really pleased with the program and the class. It was as personable and as interested and dynamic group of fellows as we've had. They're excited about mediation. There's a lot of knowledge now about different kinds of mediation practice. Academically, people are more and more informed and engaged.
You can learn more about Weinstein Fellowships and how to apply by going to jamsfoundation.org.